Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel. And in this video I will show you what you can do to stop sharing call history between two iPhones. Make sure you friends subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to put your likes under this video and please write your comments after watching. Well friends, let us get down to this topic. And first of all, open up on your iPhone settings. Now at the top, click on your name. When you are logged into your Apple account, you will need to click on iCloud. Now find this section here and click on See All. Next, scroll down a little bit and find Phone and FaceTime. When you have this option enabled, then you have the option to share acquaintance history between iPhones automatically connected. So, please disable this option to stop synchronization. Also, go back to the settings. Scroll down, click on the app. Here you will need to find the phone in the exact same way. When you find the phone, then you will need to click on this section right here. And exactly the same, if you have this option connected and need to disconnect by clicking on the button at the top. These are the steps, friends, you can stop sharing call history between two iPhones. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes and write your comments. See you soon, friends.